The three ways your diet is failing you. First one is elimination. Most people, their elimination is completely inadequate, normal, where they don't have any incidence of gastrointestinal disease 3 to 5 times a day. Is yours that? That's the first way it fails you. Another one is energy. A lot of the dietary programs out there promote different foods that will only either give you 75% of the energy that's in it or will dysregulate your blood sugar. And that's really not what you want. Third one is inflammation. Inflammation is what gives you pain. It's what causes a breakdown of all kinds of different processes inside your body. It alters the entire hormonal axis, the HPA axis, which distorts all of the hormone functions, and it depresses immune function. These are not what you want. If you want to learn more, click the link below.